Hey, good evening guys, or good morning. Wherever in the world you are, I wish you guys a happy new year. What is your goal this year? Well, my goal this year is starting another business, and aside from flipping homes and doing interior designs, I thought I'd give it a shot at YouTube. We're going to talk about changing this wall to a different color. You're going to need a caulking gun. Then I'm going to use DAP, which is a fast dry latex caulk plus silicone. And this dries in 20 minutes. He says you could paint in 20 minutes, and these are really fairly cheap. The device right here, as you can see, it's a cutter, and what you do is you take your caulk and then you just cut it right down there, and then you get a nice cut at an angle. All right, here we go. One better times. Squeeze it in. Pop. That's it. And what I need to do, finish removing everything. Alright, there we go. This out of the way. Alright, so we got our brush, which we'll be painting inside. We got our roller, so we'll paint the trims and the wall. We got our tray to pour the paint into. Tape, hand masking tool, you can use the plastic or the paper roll. This is basically to cover the edge and the bottoms and the tops from any paint spilling over, spraying over, and whatnot. Napkin, just to be on the safe side. Okay guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start painting all the inside edges, just like that. So this way when I roll the roller, this roller will only be hitting the primary areas and not stressing in the corners, because I already have the corners painted.